Dear students, the next topic is Meselson and Stahl experiment. You know, Watson and Crick proposed double helical model of DNA and semi-conservative mechanism of DNA replication. But the semi-conservative mechanism of DNA replication was experimentally proved by Meselson and Stahl in 1958. In 1958, Meselson and Stahl experimentally proved the semi-conservative mechanism of DNA replication. In their experiment, they cultured E. coli bacteria, Escherichia coli bacteria in ammonium chloride solution. In ammonium chloride NH4Cl solution. In this, the nitrogen they used was heavy isotope of nitrogen, that means N15. Heavy isotope of nitrogen they used. And in another medium with light nitrogen, that is N14, that is same ammonium chloride, but this is N14, light nitrogen used. First, they cultured the E. coli bacteria in heavy nitrogen containing ammonium chloride solution for generations, and they isolated the bacteria or the DNA of the bacteria with the heavy nitrogen. Why they used ammonium chloride or nitrogen? Nitrogen is present in DNA as well as in other products of bacteria. Then see, in the first they cultured with the bacteria in heavy nitrogen carrying ammonium chloride solution for generation after generation, and I separately isolated the DNA. Then in another medium with light nitrogen containing ammonium chloride solution, they cultured the bacteria for generation and isolated the DNA with light nitrogen. From both the medium, the DNA processor or the bacteria were taken out, they were mixed together, then added concentrated solution of cesium chloride with a density of 1.71 gram per centimeter cube, equivalent to density of DNA. Then it is centrifuged, one with a sample, DNA sample, and the other with other tube is for balance, at 140,000 gram for 20 hours in a ultra centrifuge. From that, cesium chloride is the densest one, and the blue color is the heavy DNA and the red one is the light DNA. This is the method of Meselson and Stahl experiment. They grow bacteria in N15 heavy medium, that means NH4Cl ammonium chloride with heavy nitrogen. They cultured in this. Then sample at 0 minutes, they showed all are heavy chains. They got all the bacteria with heavy chain only, heavy chain DNA. Then after 20 minutes, why we are using 20 minutes and 40 minutes duration means 20 minutes is the time required for the growth of E. coli bacteria, or for the complete culture. To complete the culture, 20 minutes is required to complete the reproduction in E. coli bacteria. Then after that, after 20 minutes, they isolated separately the heavy DNA and light DNA. Then they mixed together. But at the 0 minute, all are heavy DNA. But after 20 minutes, sample after 20 minutes, when this was, some of the DNA was mixed with the light one, after 20 minutes, they got in the first generation all the DNA, that means neither heavy nor light. That means they got all intermediate DNA in the first generation, means after 20 minutes. In the second generation, that means after 40 minutes, they got light chain and intermediate, there is no heavy chain. Only light chain and intermediate, there is no heavy chain. So from their experiment, this is the result. They received in the 0 minutes all are heavy chain, but after 20 minutes or in the first generation all are intermediate. Intermediate containing one parental strand and another new strand. One parental strand and another is a new strand. In the second generation, they received the intermediate 50% and light 50%, and there is no heavy DNA present. Only intermediate 50% and light DNA 50% they observed. From this experiment, Meselson and Stahl proved that DNA replication is semi-conservative, or Watson-Crick model of DNA obeys semi-conservative mechanism of replication. Thank you. See you in next class with another topic of interest.